we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Blue Mano 2-wheel cleaner 2 turbine drive pool vacuum that's include superior cleaning performance. The Blue Mano pool cleaner can devour debris and clean the floor, walls, and steps of your entire pool. The smart roller skirt design makes the cleaner keep optimal suction power on uneven surfaces and when encountering obstacles. Connect this pool cleaner with pool pumps and it will clean your in-ground swimming pool automatically and thoroughly. Complete pool coverage. The smart auto navigation cam system and the wheel design allow the cleaner to steer automatically, which helps the cleaner to access hard-to-reach corners that often hide debris. Excellent wall climbing ability. Optimized wheel rubber grip and bumpers provide enhanced climbing ability and obstacle maneuverability. Ideal pool cleaner for all pool surfaces. Easy to install and maintain. Install in minutes without any tools. The unique LED indicator will be on when the internal gear is turning normally. With this indicator light that monitors the internal gears, you'll easily know when your cleaner needs to be checked. Heavy-duty tires and the whole construction make it almost maintenance-free. 40 feet hose included. We provide 12 pieces of durable high-quality hoses, 40 inches long of each. The hoses are made of high-density polyethylene plastic with thick crush-proof construction. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.